Welcome to the new Hireonix AI, where the future of hiring isn't just automated, it's intelligent. Today, let me take you through what we have built from a job seeker's first click to an employer's final offer letter. Meet Arab, a final year computer science student looking for his first job. And this is Priya, a startup recruiter trying to hire fast without compromising quality. Arav logs into Hireonix AI and instantly get access to resume and cover letter builder, which are powered by AI and ATS optimized. AI mock interviews from HR to technical rounds where they get real-time feedback included with confidence metrics and how to improve their answers. Practice assessments where they can practice aptitude, English, situational, judgment and code tests. He then heads to the job board, beautifully designed and with live real jobs. And he applies his ATS score updates dynamically, helping him to learn what recruiters see. But that's not all. Arav explores the career tips page, which smartly analyzes his application behavior, identifies gaps, and gives him personalized improvement tips. He even uses our internal messaging system to ask questions, connect with recruiters, and follow up, all within the same platform. Now, let's talk about Priya. She's using our employer dashboard, where everything begins with AI. She starts by generating a compelling job description using our AI agent. From there, she creates a skill-based assessments, sends test links to shortlisted candidates, schedules multi-round interviews using built-in or Google Calendar integrations, rates candidates using our ATS dashboard, which ranks them in real time, and finally generates offer letters with just one click, powered by AI. This is just the beginning. Coming soon to Hireonix AI is multi-job board posting, background verification, course marketplace, mentorship platform where seekers connect with professionals in their field, AI profile summary bot that evaluates candidates and detects cheating, enterprise B2B suite empowering HRs and managers to hire internally, share fun moments, and streamline hiring at scale. We are already live with 3 employers and over 100 job seekers. Our professional grade website is optimized for conversion, allowing users to discover jobs, share them, and apply easily. All it takes is a login, and they are ready to go. Whether you are building your career or scaling your team, Hireonix AI is here to power that journey. Let's build the future of hiring together.